Good morning everyone. My name is Pallavi and today we will study sentences. So here is a definition of sentences. Sentence is a group of words that are put together to form complete sense. Okay, this one is the definition of sentence. When we make a group of words, then it's make a full meaningful sentence. Okay, now come to the parts of sentence. There are the two parts of sentence, subject and a predicate. Sentence is made up of two parts, subject and predicate. So here is the subject. The subject is a sentence is to who or what the sentence is about. And the predicate is a sentence asks what does the subject do. For example, Tarun goes to school with Ved. Here Tarun is a subject and here goes to school with Ved is a predicate. Now come to the kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. First, declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, exclamatory sentence. And fourth, informative sentence. So, in declarative sentence, there are the two parts, affirmative and negative. Affirmative is a yes statement and negative is a not statement. Okay. Now come to the declarative sentence. So your first topic is declarative sentence. Affirmative sentence or declarative sentence, both are same. Okay, so don't be confused. Declarative sentence is used for making a statement. For example, my brother has joined the merchant navy. Okay, this one is the statement. Okay, this one is a statement of declarative. And this here is the two types, affirmative and negative. So this sentence is in a yes statement. That means this sentence is a affirmative sentence. And when we'll make in a negative sentence, then what we have to do? Not. Okay, this example is in a yes statement. When we add in this sentence not, then it will become negative sentence. For example, my brother has not joined the merchant navy. Okay, if I add here not, then it make this sentence make it in a negative form. Okay, so don't be confused. Now come to the interrogative sentence. Second part is a interrogative. Interrogative is used for asking a question. For example, is that an ostrich? This is the question. Okay. Now come to the third part. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory is used to express strong emotion. For example, what a beautiful painting. What a beautiful scene. What a beautiful dress. This is all are the strong emotion. Okay. So this example is an exclamatory sentence. And in the end, you have to give a exclamation mark. Okay. Now come to the next kind of sentence, that is informative sentence. Informative sentence used to give a command, an advice or request. Command, advice or request, these all are informative sentence. For example, shut the door. Shut the door is a command. When we will give to anyone, that is the command. Second example is a please stop shouting in the library. That is the request, because here I add here please. Okay, so here is the request. Now, third example, walk carefully on the road. That is a advice, or you can say suggestion. Okay. So, that's all for today. Thank you.